Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Here's a quick one on how to install a Pondless water fountain. So these kind of water fountains are designed to go over a grill that covers a basin, and the water gets pumped up through that little tube, a little submersible water pump that sits under the grate and pumps the water in as a recirculatory area. So the water goes up the middle of it and then comes down the sides. And so the most important part is that grate that we're going to cover up with rocks, as you're about to see in a minute. So you put the pump in. Now the electrical line comes out of that little square on the far side there to the GFI outlet where those gray pipes are that you're going to see in just a second. And so once you get it in, you move the water fountain and put it over the grate. Now, you're almost surely going to have to cut a hole in the grate for the feeding tube to get that water flowing up through that. So once you do that, you kind of give it a quick little test, make sure it's all working before you wire it up and cover the rocks over. And this one's working great. It looks great. Now, one more thing that we did with this one is in the transfer, because this thing weighed over 100 pounds, we did scratch it up a little bit. So you just use a little bit of this waterproof paint to give it a nice little layered look. And there you go. There's the finished product. The water's flowing. We've covered the grate with these wonderful rocks. Notice how the rocks are in a circular basin. It doesn't mirror the actual basin. We wanted to kind of disguise that. And there's the little GFI outlet off to one side. So that's a really quick one on how to install one of these Pondless water fountains that uses a recycled reservoir. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hype, and leave a comment. And good luck with your landscape project. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.